What do you think you're doing? Lady! What do you think you're doing? Don't break my eggs. Don't break my eggs. You wanna do the unboxing? What you got? What you got? Oh, what's that? Can you show mommy? Give mommy the eggs. Thank you. Thank you.
Mommy?
Mm-hmm. Thank you. This is lettuce.
Mommy?
Yeah, baby.
No.
Yes.
Yeah.
You give me something else?
Huh?
You get something else out? Get something else out? Hand it to mommy.
Mommy?
Yes, I am mommy. No, we're not going to play with eggs. Here, can you hand me this to mommy? What's this? What's this? Ooh. Oh! More lettuce.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Mommy?
Yeah, baby.
Yeah.
Yeah, more lettuce. What else is in there? What else is in there?
Baby.
Oh, where's baby going?
Yeah.
Baby, baby. All right, you don't want to help me anymore?
Yeah.
Okay. Can I have that, please? Can I have that, please? Thank you. Well, a belated hello and welcome back to another episode of unboxing our Farm Fresh Carolinas farm box on Adventures with Piccadilly. Grumpy. You want lettuce? Here. Have some delicious green leaf lettuce. See what you do with that.
Mommy?
Oh no, you didn't want lettuce? Well, let's see what else they gave us. An eggplant. You want eggplant? Or ice pack.
Mommy?
Or some delicious zucchini. Zucchini, zucchini, zucchini. We love zucchini, don't we? And another eggplant. Eggplant. And then we got some onion. Pears, lemons. They're really good looking lemons. I think they might be Meyer lemons, which are my favorite lemons. Apple, another pear, some apples. Are you eating that? Don't eat that. Don't eat the leaf, silly. And an avocado. So that is our haul today. There you go. From Farm Fresh Carolinas. You can check them out at farmfreshcarolinas.com. And if you live in the Charlotte metro area and are interested in signing up, use the code below, Ref20 Taylor ABB, for 20% off your first order. Thanks, and we'll see you again next week. Hello. You're so silly. Don't eat that. Thank you.